Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting power and a connection ready. That's non-negotiable. Insert batteries or plug in a USB-C cable so the controller has consistent power. Turn on your Xbox, then press the controller's Xbox button to wake it. Once the controller light is active, press and hold the small sync button on the controller until the ring flashes, then press the console's sync button. This establishes the only reliable initial link, wired first if pairing fails, so you move on with a stable connection. Once paired, you need to configure and update so the controller performs correctly. Go to Profile and System, then Settings, and open Devices and Connections. Select Accessories to view your controller. Open the Xbox Accessories app next, updating firmware fixes button mapping, latency, and compatibility, so install any available updates. If connecting to PC or mobile, choose Bluetooth in your device's settings or use the official Xbox wireless adapter for best latency. Make sure to complete updates before you finish by verifying and customizing so gameplay feels right. Test every button, stick, trigger in the Accessories app and adjust dead zones or sensitivity to eliminate drift. Remap buttons or create profiles if a particular layout helps you. Save the profile to the controller or your console account. If something goes wrong, try the simplest fix first. Restart your console or device, repair the controller, and ensure firmware is current. If issues persist, perform a factory reset on the controller as a last resort to clear corrupt settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.